Welcome back to Outdoor Teen. Today we are 2,100 meters above the sea level, camping in Las Lajas.
Yeah, in Las Lajas. We've been here before in the very first video just to check it out, and this time we're actually camping here. Today we're just going to relax, and then tomorrow we're going to be hiking. I don't know if you can see in the screen here. Oh, motorbike going past. But we're going to be hiking up this big cliff here and overlooking Mount Teide around the edge of the big crater. The, what's it called, Bay?
La Caldera?
The Caldera.
I think.
But, Evie, shut up. Here's the campsite, here's our tent, but one thing.
There's no bathroom. They are in maintenance. And the first source of water is pretty far.
Them cliffs I was on about are up there, look. Yeah, that's where we're going tomorrow. We parked the motos just there, look, right at the bottom end of the campsite, so we're near nobody. It's perfect, really. Completely private. I mean, you can hear some kiddies up there, but because it's Sunday, there's a lot of people in the recreation area that's right up over the hill. Like, well, not having a barbecue, because you can't use barbecues because they spread COVID, apparently. So they say. But there's loads of people over there, so we've come right the way down this path all the way here to this level bit of ground, and it's a perfect place for camping. What are you doing, Betty?
I think we got a problem, Josh.
What?
I forgot the glasses for the morning coffee.
The coffee cups, you mean?
The coffee cup, yeah.
Ah.
We don't have anything for the coffee.
Wow. I suppose we drive down the Villa Floor then, no? And get some cups.
Yeah, the only way.
Come on then.
Sorry.
Well, shut the tent up then, let's go.
Yeah. This is the good thing, guys. If you camp in Las Lajas and you forget something, in 15 minutes you're down to the town Villa Flor, and pam pam, we got classes for our coffee in the morning.
Cause when we try to do things right, it always ends up with a fight. It's really messing with my head. Too bad, my friend, she said. But I'm tortured. Drop it for me.
Curry!
You want some more?
No, I'm so full out.
Wow.
So, good morning, guys. The new day is coming.
Yeah, it's the next day.
It's been cold during the night, it's been freezing.
Yeah.
Autumn is arrived.
Winter has arrived.
No, it's autumn.
What do you think, guys? 9th of November, is that winter?
No, winter starts the 21st December. We packed everything, put back in the motor, and we start our hiking route.
Hiking up to the rim of the crater. So let's go now.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on. It's a long day.
Right up there somewhere we are going. So let's go.
This is a warning from the past, to make sure you're learning from mistakes that you did last. Send me a letter when you're done, evaluating what your short life has become. You should know. You should know. Don't try to cover up your ways. In light of what you've seen so far, there are better ways. Throw preconceptions down the drain, 'cause this is your last chance. You should know. You should know.
Holy moly!
Well, as you can see, I just crashed the drone. It was going to be a very sad day, but amazingly, only the propellers were damaged, so I've just changed them and it's flying perfectly. Look at that. So guys, this is the crash site. Look, if you look up there, I was trying to fly through this tree. I actually did do it once perfectly, but I wasn't recording, so I had to do it again, and then that's when I crashed, and it was all the way up there and it crashed. What's that? Got to be about 8 meters. Fell about 8 meters, somehow landed up the right way, and it's a miracle. It's a baby Jesus. It survived, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, and he was telling me, Betty, I flew through the trees. You wasn't looking at me.
Will you? Will you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Will you? Will you? Will you? But you can never walk alone.
You can never walk alone on the way to being free.
Will you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. Will you? Will you? But you can never walk alone on your way to being free.
So guys, we're at the highest point of today, like I said, the spectacular views out to over Teide. We're at 2,450.
Yeah, 400 meters. 450.
2,450 meters above sea level. So, well, we've only done about 400 meters of climbing from the campsite, but yeah. So now we need to go back down the other way, this direction, and then we're going to loop back round to the campsite.
Yeah,
So
the
we're
best view. It was worth it.
yeah, proper spectacular views, honestly. And if you want to do this route from Las Lajas, I'll leave a link in the description so you can download it. So let's go now.
Yeah, let's go. Here we go. Ah! Here, no. Molly, come here. Following our map, the path looks like it's gonna disappear. And we found the reason. We know now why. There's the cliff to climb down.
Yeah, you have to climb down a cliff. It was very hard with the dogs trying to carry them down, but if you go steady, it's quite easy. And then when you know you're in the right place, when you get to the back on the path, basically, you'll see the little stone stacks. You see one there, look. So then you know you're back on the right path, guys.
Yeah, when you
And
show
then-
the cliff.
Yeah, you can see the cliff
Ah,
here.
okay.
Yeah, so bear that in mind. The path looks like it disappears, but it doesn't. You have to keep pushing on down the cliff.
But this way, absolutely not. I'm going to have a look that way.
Yeah. Wow. This route is taking a lot longer than expected because there's no path. We are just clambering over rocks, trying not to fall over through bushes, following the exact line on the map, but there is no path here. So if you do come do this route, make sure you have a reliable GPS tracker, because you will get lost. Because even with GPS tracker, we've got lost. Don't know how many times yet. Betty loves getting lost, don't you?
Yeah, I love getting lost as long as there are no ticks around. It's not a problem.
Good job.
This is climbing.
This route, guys, is proper mountaineering. Do not bring your dogs.
Do not come. Definitely.
Yeah, don't come here, because you will probably die. Also. So, but we're definitely going to cut the route short because it's going to take us 17 kilometers of this crap. Is going to take ages. We've got no chance. So we're going to try and find a shortcut down to, there's a street down there. We're going to try and find a way down to that street, but then again we might not be able to get down to that street. So here we are, guys, making our way down to the street. We did actually find a path, so this shorter route I think we're going to upload. But here we are, guys, making our way down to the street, down this barranco, as you can see, like a lava gully.
Josh, can you carry this fucking bottle, please?
Yeah, look, here comes Betty, look, moaning about a bottle. Come on then, give it here. No, don't the dogs. Psychopath.
Because it's unbalancing me. If I have to reach something, I don't know.
So guys, we made it to the road. Not quite sure how far we got to walk on the road, maybe 3 or 4 kilometers back to Las Lajas. But I am eyeing up, there might be a little shortcut across the forest, which we might check out, Betty. Oops. We'll check out the shortcut now. See how it is. But yeah, so we're on the road. I'm not going to film nothing here because it's boring as. But look at the views, huh? Look at them clouds.
Yeah.
Beautiful. The streets are pretty quiet as well, so it's not too bad. Anyway, off we go. So we made it back to the campsite, Las Lajas.
Again, we did it.
Yeah, we did it. Bit of a failure, but it was a good experience. I'll leave the route below that we actually walked, not the one that we were we planned to walk, because it don't know how dangerous it could have got. There's quite a lot of climbing, and yeah, take it steady.
And maybe one day we shall make another video and do the other way we missed and we split into. We will go without dogs, of course.
Yeah, if you come up here, definitely do not bring the dogs. It's not suitable to go up there.
So nothing? Go back at them?
Oh yeah, and the drone does have a crack in the arm, so I'm gonna have to get some super glue on there or something. Bit annoying, but yeah, if anyone wants to sponsor me and buy me a new drone, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Joke. Cool. See you in the next video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.